Hello students, today we are going to learn about laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer and scales of thermometer. Laboratory thermometers are used to measure the temperature in school and other laboratories for scientific research, and in some industries also these thermometers are used. They can measure temperature higher than what clinical thermometers can record. And the stem and the bulb of a lab thermometer are longer when compared to clinical thermometer. Then there is no kink in the laboratory thermometer because no need to shake it. A laboratory thermometer has only Celsius scale ranging from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, what are the precautions to be followed while using this laboratory thermometer? Just two precautions. Place the lab thermometer upright position, not in a slanting position. Then second one is note the reading only when the bulb has been surrounded by the substance from all sides. That is completely zinc the bulb portion in the substance which we are going to measure the temperature. Okay, then digital thermometer. Digital thermometers are mainly used to take the body temperature. What are the precautions made using this digital thermometer? So just wash the tip of the thermometer in antiseptic solution. Then switch on the button which is in the thermometer. It produces some sound, beep sound. Then keep it inside under the tongue of our mouth or under the armhole. After few seconds, that is 30 seconds or 40 seconds, continuously beep sound is coming. Then you remove that thermometers from the body and see the temperature of our body in digital form. So this is the digital thermometer. Now we are going to learn the scales of thermometer. Already you studied three scales: Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Celsius scale, how this name comes means Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius name is given to Celsius scale. So the scales are from 0 degrees C, that is the freezing point of water, to 100 degrees C, that is boiling point of water. So Celsius scale is divided into 100 parts. Then Fahrenheit scale is named after the German physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Here the freezing point of water is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. So the scales are calibrated from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Totally 180 parts are present in the Fahrenheit scale. The next one, Kelvin scale. Lord Kelvin name is given to that scale. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The readings of Kelvin scale starts from absolute zero temperature. Temperature in Celsius scale can be easily converted to Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. So here see the relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to Celsius by 5. So here Fahrenheit scale, Fahrenheit reading is given, and given means you can convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius by using this. Then Kelvin is equal to 273.15 plus Celsius. So if Celsius reading is given, you can easily convert the Celsius reading into Kelvin by using this. So these are the relation between Fahrenheit, Celsius and also Kelvin. Okay students, today we learn about types of thermometers and also scales of thermometers. We will see in next class.